Good afternoon, guys. What is up? I hope you're all doing great today. I'm glad that you've made it all this way to this video review. So I am here today to talk to people about having healthier hearing. I want to talk to you all today about a supplement that can support your hearing and that can help you hear better. So if you guys are ready, I will be talking about Cortexi. This is a natural supplement. It is comprised of only ingredients that were basically derived from nature. It does not have toxins or GMOs. And Cortexi has a lot of great benefits to help you out as well. So if you are ready to have the perfect support for your hearing, listen up because Cortexi is your answer, okay? Guys, before we get started, I just quickly want to mention this really big alert to you. It's just to watch out with where you're going to purchase Cortexi from, okay? This is a natural supplement that is only being sold on their official webpage. So if you just want to make sure that you are making a safe and secure purchase, if you are going to receive the original Cortexi, get it directly from their official webpage. I left the link just here for you guys to help you out, okay? But as I was saying, Cortexi, it's going to support healthy hearing. So if you have realized that maybe your hearing ain't doing that good lately, it's kind of having like the problem where you always have to be like, can you repeat that for me again? I can't understand you, I can't hear well. Cortexi is going to help you support your hearing. But due to it being natural, it has ingredients that are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, which are really cool. It does not have GMOs and it does not have toxins. It will also help you to strengthen your memory, and it will also help you to support your mental sharpness, helping you to think much more faster and just be more mentally alert as well, which is pretty cool. And this is a natural formula, so it is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. It was created under the most strictest and sterile guidelines. So if you guys did reach that point where you do want to have, better hearing, you want to take care of your hearing, Cortexi is a really great supplement for doing just that. So give it a shot. I mean, you are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you need a refund at some point, you have 60 days to do so from the very first day of your purchase. And the manufacturers recommend that you do a 3 or a 6 months treatment. So Cortexi, it is natural, right? It doesn't have toxins to speed up the process. It is natural, so you have to let your body adapt to it. But results will be really great. You're going to be healthy. And this is something that can really help you also to better your hearing. All right? So guys, give it a shot. You are not going to regret it. Visit the official webpage. Read out other people's feedbacks. You're going to maybe relate to a story or two. But also, if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Okay? Have a great day, everyone. Bye.